Hello and welcome to the travel booking panel. In today's video, we will see how we can change the top menu of the travel booking panel. Therefore, in this documentation, we will explore how we can rename its items and reorder them through the admin panel, providing clear instructions and explanations to simplify the process. Here we go to the admin panel where I am already securely logged in, and I'll scroll down through the menu options until I locate the content management system within the dashboard interface. With a steady hand, I click on the menu button at the screen's corner and carefully push it aside a bit to reveal hidden options. Here I enter the content management user interface and then immediately return to the main menu management page. Once I click the button, we will immediately see the relevant content displayed prominently on the screen. In the meantime, I will shift this document or any surrounding materials aside to keep them out of our line of sight so they will not distract our focus. At this point, we can see the header menu, the footer menu, footer services and footer support, and now we will proceed to update the existing items displayed within the header menu accordingly. This is the sequence. For instance, we place tour in this position with flight immediately following it to properly maintain the specified booking order structure. We move it before flight. As soon as we place it before flight, we go to the website and reload it. And you'll now see that the term tour has shifted its position within this list, while the word flight directly follows it in the sequence. Now, if we navigate back from this point smoothly for stay, as we've just named our hotel stay, if you want to change it to hotel, like you've changed it to hotel, there you go. Once you complete the update and reload the website, you'll immediately notice that the word stay has been replaced by portal across the site, as you can clearly see. The stay name has been saved to the hotel. You can see that. So in this way, you can drag and drop this top menu. You can change the order and rename them. Thank you for watching.